Let's take a look at finding the population standard deviation using Excel version 16. I'm going to type in my numbers first. So I got 2, 8, 11, 17, 25. And population standard deviation. Now again, if I don't remember the formula, then I can come over to my FX right here. And it probably says statistical from a previous one, but if it doesn't, you do the drop down here and choose statistical. And if I scroll down, you're going to see your standard deviations somewhere. There it is. And we got standard deviation.p and standard deviation.s. The P stands for population, the S stands for standard deviation. Since we're wanting population, we'll choose this one. So I'll double click it. Comes up here and it guesses, or comes up the previous one, I'm not sure which. I want it to be A1 to A5. So I could type in A1 colon A5, or come over here and click with my left mouse button and hold down on A1 and drag it to A5. But either way, you want to somehow get A1 colon A5 in there. Your starting cell colon your ending cell. And then click OK. And that will give you your population standard deviation.